welcome back to another video. Now this video is very exciting for me. It's something I've been waiting for a while due to a broken spring on my car. This is just going to be an unboxing video. It's not very interesting, but if you want to see nice fresh parts coming out of a box, this is the video for you. And I personally watch it, so I like it. So I'll show you the box and what we're currently going to be unboxing, and yeah, let's get into it. We've got the BC Racing RM Series custom coilovers. These are from Demon Tweaks. So what we're going to do is, we're going to take this knife and we're going to chop this box open and see the product. Alright, knife's cut that shite open. Right, so let's unbox this stuff now. Oh yes, now that looks like a nice bit of box. We're going to get this box out because there's a box inside a box, and there's probably a box inside that box, and hopefully not a box in that box. Right, so I can't set up a stand because I can't find anything high enough to reach the bed. So I've just took the box out the box, and then we're going to look inside that box, so let's crack on. So BC Racing have got a lovely box design. Yeah, I don't know what any of this means, but yeah, shout out to BC for making a sick looking box. Right, I can't wait to see what these look like. What's that knife? Where's that be going? A and E. Right, so first we got model of the coilovers, stickers, air freshener, and some other BC stuff. We'll get into that after. Right, what we got here? Oh yes, these look beautiful. Now these, if you are watching this video and you don't know what these ones are for, these are for the Mark II Focus ST. Obviously these come in a variety of cars. Oh yes, look at them beauties. They're fucking heavy, Jesus. So there's one. They look good, they look good. Alright, so here we have the back strut for the Mark II Ford Focus ST. Obviously, if you've got a different car, it's going to be different to this. Oh, here we go, yeah. Adjustable on the dampening there, soft to hard. We got an Allen key and the spanners for adjusting the spring. This bit here, it's for them. I've had some cheap coilovers in the past on my old cars, and these are so much nicer. Fucking best be for the price. Alright, what else we got in here? We got another damper. Guessing they're the springs for the back. So yeah, here we have the full Mark II Focus ST coilover kit from BC. High performance shock absorber, gas fill, do not open, do not heat. I won't be, don't know why you'd be heating these, but must be off your head if you are. Right, so now I'm gonna get the instructions out and read how you adjust these. I can see you adjust the dampening on the top there. I don't know what these bits here are for. It says soft and hard dampening. Maybe it's for, it'll definitely be for the front ones. I'm just going to have a little look at the instructions and figure that out. Alright, so in this little pack, that's failed, doesn't it? Trying to do this with one hand, boys, is a nightmare. Right, let's have a look. Right, I'm just going to go through what this stuff is. So you get 2 BC Racing stickers. You get, what the hell's this? Oh, there's a different type of shocks. Yeah, look at them ones. They've got their own separate a fluid reservoir thing, their own separate one. They're cool then. You get, I need to cut myself on that knife again. Post with hashtag BC equipped. I'll be smashing one of them on the old Insta. Comes with an air freshener. I love an air freshener. What the hell's this in Chinese? Yeah, how the fuck are you meant to read that? Can't read any of that, man. Guess that's not for us British people. Yeah, and here is the instructions, I'm guessing. Yeah, installation, before installation. Yeah, boys, so that is the BC kit unboxed. Big shout out to Demon Tweaked and BC Racing for getting them to me ASAP. I'm going to get these put on the car, hopefully on the weekend, if my back permits, because I'm currently got a back of an old man and I'm in bits all the time. But we'll try and get these on because I need them for the Nürburgring next month. So for now, boys, girls, anyone else who's watching, these are the BC coilovers, the RM coilovers. Springs in there. There's not much really else I can tell you in this video. They're coilovers, they look good, they're nice. They cost a lot of money. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'll get this video up, and then this is going to be an early video, so this will be out Tuesday, Wednesday. So this is like a midweek teaser kind of thing, and then I'll do a video when I'm fitting them, which will be quite funny because I am useless. Nah, I'm alright, but I've never fitted coilovers, so I guess it's literally just taking out the old shock and putting the new one in and adjusting it, and that'll be the hardest part, adjusting it probably. Oh no, I've just spotted something. That's where you adjust the dampening. Yeah guys, so I'm going to read through this instructions now just so I got an idea for when I come to fit these to the car. I do have some ABC big brake kit on the way from Demon Tweaks again, so shout out to them. Hopefully they will be here before the Nürburgring. I ideally really want them. I wanted them with this kit so I could get it all fitted together. It would be ideal, but not everything goes smoothly. But yeah, so we'll get these fitted. I'll be doing an oil change soon, so I'll get a cracker video on that. Got quite a few videos coming. We got the 8 days around Europe, so I'll be doing a day-to-day videos on that. So there's plenty of stuff coming for the channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.